Hello and welcome again to the video series of Rich Lending Bundle. So in this video, we're going to specifically learn about the quantity-based discount in tiered discount. For that, we will go straight into the discounts here. So in tiered discount, you can see the two types here, quantity-based and the amount-based. So you can see we already have selected a discount type. 3 plus items 10% off, 5 plus items 20% off, and you can see the discounts right here, right? So because we already have implemented the logic is already implemented. So if we choose, for example, 3 items, you can see 10% discount right here. The subtotal is $65.47, and they're getting $6.55 discount on the 3 items, right? So let's walk you through the type of quantity base. You can see here it's already percentage base. We already have implemented that, and it's the fixed base. For example, if I set on the fixed base, if I say minimum 3 amount, $10 off, let's save it and go here straight logic 5 on 20% discount, right? So it's already 3 items, $10 off, 5 items, 20. I think it's not discount percentage. Now it's going to be amount. Yeah. So you can see it's already here. So if we add 3 amounts, 3 products from here, you can see 10 off, dollar off. If we add 2 more, it will 20% off, right? So you can see the discounts here, right? So, okay, so let's discuss the third one. It's the free gift. For example, I've choose a free gift. I have to, you can select here, select product. And for example, it's the, so I choose the cleansing. Save the changes. And same we will do here. You can see here it's the free gift already added on this one. And for this one, we need to go here and change it to the free gift and select a product. And for example, we already have selected average Avene cleansing foam. For example, for 5 items, we're gonna add one more free gift with the 5 items. For example, I selected 2 items for 5 products. Yep. So you can see here 5 item free gifts already attached. It's free gift attached. If I add a product from here, you can see here it's already marked green. That means uh you have given two free gifts on 5 items, right? Straight go here and discuss the no discounts, right? No discounts means save it and go here and change it to no discount. That means you can still create a bundle, but there is no discount logic here, right? So discuss the fifth one here, like shipping discount. For example, we say if a person get like we'll go with 3 items, they will get the 20% discount, right? For Sam here, we'll go here threshold shipping discount. We will say they want to get 35% discount. You can see here, if you buy 3 items, you will get 20% off on shipping. If you buy 5 items, you will get 35% discount on shipping. Let's discuss the last one. Let's go back here and free shipping. Save and same go here and change it to free shipping, right? So that means you are going to, so if you go to the add to cart, you won't gonna give any kind of amount for the shipping because it's absolutely free marketing. So you can implement this logic on your store to boost your sales and to get maximum orders on your store. Yeah, I hope you get it. Thank you.